Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do in the current week. So, we had a very strong fall in the month of October, around 2000 odd point fall, but that's just one red candle. This candle has just begun and is more or less range bound so far. The monthly trend still is up, and the next area of demand zone is all the way here. So that's the area where you would like to go for swing or positional buying. In Nifty right now, Nifty is on in smaller time frame demand zone, but on monthly it's still another 2000 odd points. So this is the area for buying in case you see Nifty coming in here in the next few months. On the weekly chart, we have this supply, which is still holding. It's not really a great supply. It's just a drop-based drop, a picture of supply, and not really any achievement. This is the area of demand zone. On the weekly chart, we were just shy of it. We just breached this and then started moving up. But for the last 3 weeks, including this, if you see, we are basing. So there is a good chance that once market goes above 24,500, it could retest 25,200. But also on the flip side, it has some more room to go down till 23,500 based on the weekly chart. So be cautious. Make sure whatever positions you take are hedged. So consolidation is going on in the weekly. On the daily chart, if you see, we had strong moves on last Tuesday and Wednesday. Uh, and Thursday we came down. Friday again range bound. Today again range bound. We went up pretty high till 24,358. Now, as long as these lows are held, there is a good potential prices will move towards this area of supply zone on Nifty. That's the next area of supply zone. So once 24,500 is negotiated and we form a higher bottom, expect prices to move towards this. So tomorrow will be crucial. If we start trading and close above this, expect next few days of markets to be bullish and all the way to this side. So right now, that's the range that we are working on the daily. And on the 75-minute chart, it's the original. That's a demand zone which is in play, and the prices came down, went up. We negotiated this, but are yet to negotiate this area of supply. But looks like a range bound price action is expected till we break out of 24,500 or 23,800 on either side. So that's a range right now, 24,600 to 24,000 on Nifty. Once we breach this, we could easily move towards 25,200 and 25,500. Volatility is increasing, so be cautious, and shorts should be kept intraday, and maybe even longs for some time till we breach this can be range bound, more as a overnight DIT kind of position. A quick look at India VIX. India VIX is cooling down. It's trading below 15, 14 and a half. The moment it starts trading below 14 and 13 and a half, you could probably see a temporary up move that could start in Nifty. So this has peaked and is moving down. So good for a bullish stance on the Nifty. Taking the cue at Bank Nifty again, range bound. If you see on the daily, there is no change in the supply demand equation for Bank Nifty. On the monthly, the trend is still up. We are moving up and down here. That's the area of demand zone from where it is moving, and this is the next demand zone where you would want to get into any potential longs. On the weekly, that's the supply zone and that's the demand zone, which is holding, and that's the range from 53,500 all the way to 50,000. So 3,500 point range. Weekly, we are holding up. And once Bank Nifty starts trading above 52,500, there could be a quick 1,000 point move towards 53,500. So that's the kind of consolidation that has been happening on Bank Nifty between 52,500 and 5,300. It is likely to continue. We might just move up again here, and then again there is a possibility of us falling down. So be cautious, protect your profits, trail your stop losses, and get out of longs if you're somewhere longs in these areas. Good time for spreads or non-directional strategies to look at in Bank Nifty. But if you look at this smaller time frame, this is making an attempt to move up. So good chance that Bank Nifty will make an attempt this week probably to hit 50 to 600 to 53,000. If that happens, longs can be liquidated and shorts not yet enabled, because if we start closing and trading above this, there is a good chance prices will again move towards 54,000. So slightly bullish bias, but on confirmation, it's a very range-bound trading session that we have been observing. So trade well and trade safe.